Welcome, my name's Eva Helps with Seiler Design Solutions, and today's blog tutorial is about how to add labels to pipe networks and where to find those default label styles. We're going to take a look at how to label pipes and structures in both plan and profile view, where you define those default styles. There's a few different ways you can label them. If you are See, I've got two views here. If you take note, I've got the view of the plan view here, and then a view of the profile view. So I'm going to select inside this plan view here, and you see on the Annotate tab, there is an Add Labels that you can either drop down and go to specifically adding pipe network labels, and you can go from the entire pipe network to entire plan view of the entire network, profile view, entire network, and so on. So you see you have your different options here, or you can simply select the Add Labels dialog box, and inside of here you can drop down and select which feature, in this case the pipe network, that you want to label, and then also the different label types that you want. So this is one way. If I were going to choose, let's just say, a single part plan label, you can see they have the pipe labels here defined. This one is C-Storm pipe data one line, and the structure is C-Storm structure data. So if I go ahead and choose Add to add a label, I've chosen the single part plan, so I'm going to look for a part in plan view to label. I go ahead and select Add. I'm just going to choose this manhole up here, and you can see it adds that label. Now inside that plan view, you can manipulate that label, and depending on the styles, it will appear differently. In this case, it is pulled out by a leader when you drag it out. If you ever want to see what style of label it is, you can go ahead and select that label. You can take a look over here in your properties, and you can see this is C-Storm structure data is the label style that we are using there. So that's one way to do it. You can also simply select a pipe or a part inside of Planner Profile View, and once you select it, you see that contextual ribbon up here with the blue outline pop up. You can add labels this way as well. Or you can also, with that pipe selected, simply right-click and add a label. So if I right-click and add a label, we see this label is C-Storm pipe data. One line is the pipe label style here. That's chosen from the default label styles. If you want to take a look at what your default label styles are, you would hop over to the Settings tab here in the tool space, and I already have it branched out here, but you can come up to your pipe network and right-click, Edit Feature Settings, and that will pop up the Edit Feature Settings for that pipe network dialog box. And inside of here, you see you have default styles. If you expand that default styles using that little plus symbol to the left there, here's where you can take a look at those different default label styles. Same thing with the profile view here. If you come over to this profile view and you want to label that pipe, you could select it. Again, that contextual ribbon pops up with the ability to add those labels. You can right-click and add them as well. Or you can come back to that Annotate tab and go to the Add Labels drop down inside of the Labels and Tables panel as well. So just a quick little tutorial on how to add some labels for pipes, structures, or the entire pipe network inside of Civil 3D, and where you can find those default styles. And hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. My name's Eva Helps with Seiler Design Solutions. You can reach out to me at ehelps@seiler-ds.com, or the whole CAD technical team at cadtechnical@seiler-inst.com, or you can head over to www.seiler-ds.com/blog, and you can subscribe to our blogs, newsletter, and take a look at the other services and training that we can provide. Thanks.